I really need to work on building a schedule because this past week I've been going to bed at like 3 a.m. and waking up at like 12 p.m. Um, or 1 p.m. and it's pretty bad for my schedule. So yeah, I should probably work on that. Alright, so today for lunch we're making something very simple. We are going to make just noodles. So we have our like pork soup base that was already made by my mom. I'm just heating up a small portion of it. Then we're gonna add some broccoli, some white cabbage, and then some enoki mushrooms. And we're gonna cook up some noodles as well. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna boil some water. Yeah, boil some water, and then we add our noodles into it. And as you can see, our soup is starting to boil. So I'm gonna turn that heat down so I can just like barely keep warm. But let's see. For noodles, we are going to use Dao Dao Xiao Mian, which is like blade sliced noodles, and it's like a Taiwanese type of noodle. So this is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna wait for the water to boil. See if I can find a cap. A lid. Okay, so I put this lid on so it traps the heat and boils faster. And while I'm waiting for that, we can get to preparing our vegetables. Alrighty, so first I'm just gonna do the broccoli because it takes longer to cook. I'm gonna open this bad boy up just like that. I'm gonna take like maybe 2 or 3 flowers, and then I'm just gonna wash them thoroughly. Always wash your vegetables before you cook them. Even though when you cook them, it kills some of the bacteria, but it's just a nice habit to get into just washing your vegetables. And then I'm gonna try to break them into smaller pieces. Ugh! There we go. I'm not a pro, but I guess this should do. And then I'm just gonna toss them into the soup. Make sure it cooks. I should probably push it down a bit more, but I'm maybe gonna add a bit more, or at least one more. Cooking is a very, very useful skill. Well, especially if you can make like good food. I know like it's the bare minimum to like be able to cook food for yourself, but being able to like make your own dishes and whatnot is like extremely, I don't know, cool. Alrighty, and then so next we have our white cabbage. So what I'm gonna do for this, take this bad boy out, and I'm just gonna take like 1 or 2 or 3 leaves. I'm gonna wash them, make it nice and clean. And then I'm gonna break them into smaller pieces and throw them in the soup base so that it cooks faster. And then I'm just gonna push it down so that everything actually cooks. Push it down into the soup. It's kind of getting overflown, but I'm actually kind of stupid, bro. I was gonna add miso with the soup base, just so it had more flavor, but I forgot. So shit. The water is boiling, so I'm just gonna toss in the noodles real quick. So usually I eat two of these because I'm a big boy. I'm gonna slide them right in. Let them cook while I figure this out. And so I was just saying, these miso packets are like, got it from like a Japanese supermarket. And basically, there's like one packet which is like the actual soup base, miso soup base packet, and then the other one's for like the topping or like the garnish. So there's different flavors. Like this one's seaweed. We also have like tofu, seaweed, and then there's one that's just green onion. And then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw one of these sauce packets into the soup just to add more flavor. There we go. These things are a lifesaver, because if you want soup, you just want to make the soup base, like you're craving miso soup, you can just add this sauce packet into like a boiling pot of water, and then you just add the toppings, and it's pretty good. Yeah. And so we're gonna mix that in, make sure it spreads evenly. Nice miso. I think one soup base packet should be enough. And then I'm just gonna add topping just because. Oh shoot, I forgot I had mushrooms. So I'm just gonna add one more leaf, one more white cabbage, and then I'm gonna throw in some mushrooms as well. So I'm gonna grab this bad boy. I'm gonna wash it real quick. Low key, there's a lot of things I want to learn over the summer, but I want to learn how to cook. Like, cook actually, like, good meals, So, like, right now, I'm just doing simple stuff. Like, mostly it's either pre-made or, like, very simple steps. But, it's nice to have that skill where you can, like, cook your own dishes. Especially, like, cook for other people, I don't know, it's just nice. Shoot, I made a big mess over here. I'll clean that up real quick. Alright, so My cabbage is pretty much done. I'm gonna put that away. Okay, so usually it isn't this full, but I just added a lot of toppings to the soup. Don't know if everything will fit in here at the end, but we'll see how it goes. I feel like everything should be kind of cooking right now. I think you should have put the mushrooms before the cabbages, but well. And then I will put my stuff back in the fridge. Seems like everything is cooking or should be. Check on the noodles real quick. I'm gonna crack the eggs. No. Uno. And dos. This bad boy cooking up. I don't know if I did a good job, but we shall find out during the taste test. Alrighty. I think the noodles should be almost done. I'll do one little taste test real quick. Still a little bit chewy, but not too bad. Maybe just wait a couple more minutes, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so a few minutes have passed. I'm just gonna toss this bad boy into this. Hopefully it should be alright. There's gonna be one full little pot. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like my chopstick skills have been deteriorating because I've been eating at the dining hall this whole year. We only have, I've only been using forks, so I'm trying to get back into it. Yes, sir. Yep. Oh, this one's stupid. There we go. And all you have to do is just mix it. Damn. I can barely see it. But, yeah. Trust. It tastes better than it looks. You know. First bite. Here we go. Not bad. Just too much stuff in here. Kind of gets out of hand. Broccoli. Oh. Ooh. It's hot. 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 ASMR. It's like a food documentary.
这样你先可以先投3不看，你不要，但等会不要你看，然后没有别的。
So yeah, a food documentary, but I haven't been watching it at all. It's just been playing in the background. It's called Poison. The pig, the snake, and the pigeon. We'll see how it is. Let's see if this movie is any good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Alright, we're at K-Pot right now, and we're trying to get a job. See how it goes.
Eh, 确定应该有配嘛，对不对？没有。
应该有。
对啊，确定应该有配吧。
So first we got the canned tuna. And then we got the and then we add the mayo. And then we got the sriracha. And we end up with the fatty eating the sandwich. And then we got the Poomsae Bear sticker.